attempt to unclog the drain in our shower with baking soda, white distilled vinegar, baking soda, and hot water. First, we're going to boil up a pot of hot water and pour it in there. Then we're going to add this stuff. Yep, that's it. So first, you start off with a big pot of hot boiling water. You pour it down there. Then you're going to put 1 cup of this mixed with 1 cup of water on top of a cup of this. So you got to put a cup of this into the drain, then a cup of this and a cup of water mixed together. So I've got this. We're going to put 1 cup of that and 1 cup of water in it. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so we're going to put a cup of this in there. Looks like we got just about a cup. All right, let's take a look. Yeah, we're a little bit over, but who's counting? We got to put some water in here. All right, I think that's going to work. That should be enough. And then we got to take our baking soda and open it up. Usually there's a thing on the side that you can smush into it. Sometimes not. Sometimes you need a knife. I think this is a pound. And this would be, that would be a cup right there. So all you gotta do is put a cup in there. If I can get that. All right, I think that's a cup. All right, so we got a cup of that. We got 2 cups over here. We're boiling our water. Now we just gotta wait. All right, so you definitely want scalding hot boiling water. I think we got it. All right, let's go. So step A is to pour the hot water down the drain. Don't spill it on yourself. And then we gotta fill up another one of these and boil it up because we're gonna dump it down after we do our procedure. All right, so here we are. First things first, the hot water goes down. You can see it's not draining very good. Right, that's that. Okay, now we gotta let that go down. Now next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour this in here. We gotta get it all in there. Push it down in. Get it way down in there. Get her down. Okay, now here we go. Pour this. I'm going to close this off. All right, looks like it's round 2 with the hot water. Let's go. Hopefully this will work. We'll find out in a second. Okay. Huh. How about that? Looks like we may have cleared the drain. All right, set that right there for now. Turn the water on. All right, let's see how we did. Alright, seems to be working. It did the trick. How do you like those apples? If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to clean your drain out. Peace out.